More stocks on the deep. This is Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. We have CHSN, CWD, NDLS, TNON, CLSD. So we'll begin with CHSN, down 29.15, intraday low in this session not long ago, 0.0508. What do we have here? Lower prices. Bottom is expected to kick in by midday, New York time today, the 14th. And then yeah, it bounces. Yeah, bounce if you like. After that, or by then, or maybe actually maybe by the close of today's trading session, it would have bounced and expected to remain strong and maintain that strength up till August the 19th, when it's expected to let's see, maybe attempt to go into a distributive contraction as a result of that bounce, but no guarantee that that will be the case. We have currently 0.1038. It is an upper projection. Let's see, it is an upper projection that will be up to 100% upside. Yeah, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. We have here more upper projections from the least 0.1016, 0.1064, 0.1140, 0.1360, 0.1459, 0.1521. Setting pressure is has to be ramped up here, amplified. Yeah, okay, we do, but for whatever reason we have robust second derivatives, and the 10 period moving average have very robust second derivative 6.157. So yes, setting pressure is losing its edge. Maybe that's why we have a bounce imminent. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Let's see now. The company is also uh, planning to reconsolidate its shares with an 80 for 1 reverse split by Monday the 18th. Okay, so they wants to make sure they are compliant with Nasdaq listing rules. And the next is CWD down 25.29%. What do we have? Um, Underlying issues 142 reversed stock splits, which took place in May. And the stock has, okay, still maintaining above $1. First quarter revenue, for the first quarter 2025 revenue plunged sharply to $7.3 million from $23 million year over year, keeping investor sentiment weak. Analysts cite poor revenue outlook and relatively low price to sale multiples as reasons driving the share price lower. Yeah, intraday low in this session 1.5. Not in this session, but on yesterday, yeah, yesterday 13th, by the close in the post market session, $1.56. Okay, a bounce is expected by the post market session of today, and then that will entail, or rather, that will yeah, be the beginning of, or rather, it will mark the beginning of a consolidation based on the extrapolation we have there. Projections, we don't have anything to the upside. Everything is severely bearish, very severely negative. Nothing to the upside. We have to go. Okay, we do have something here. We have when. Okay, let's see when we had something. Let's see. As of Tuesday, we had 7.73. Yeah, yeah. As of Tuesday, we had 7.73, 8.06, 10.25, 11.61. There might even be higher prices, but we'll just make do with these. There might even be, we have here, let's see. Uh, yeah, okay, no. Those are the most we have, I think, if you like, 11 point up to 11.61. Selling pressure, let's see what's going on. Okay, yeah, in this case, nothing, everything is severely negative, nothing, no base here. No ending. Well, even though the algos are suggesting that the consolidation is coming out, but selling pressure is very high, indicating that at least by tomorrow's trading session, tomorrow the 15th, there's a good chance the stock may still be trading below its 10 and 21 period moving averages. I would say still trading below 2.25 and 2.45 come tomorrow the 15th. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, let's look at NDLS, down 19.63. Yeah, Noodles company missed Q2 2025 revenue. Yeah, revenue came in flat year over year, missing estimates. The company also guided full year revenue slightly below analyst expectations. Results shares okay down in this pre-market session. Posted wider net loss of $17.6 million, which is a negative $0.38 per share versus $13.6 million a year earlier, reinforcing concerns about profitability. Okay, that was a loss. It posted a loss. Yeah, okay, so down 19.63. Yeah, 19 down 19.63 intraday low. Earlier on in this session, 0.71. As of Tuesday, the 12th, they had 1.11. Let's see what we have. So consolidation is also expected to play out up till going all the way towards Monday, the 25th of August. In terms of upper projections, what do we have? 0.9353, slight upper projection as of today. 9863 as of yeah, still today as well. No, yesterday. Yeah. And then we had upper projections as of Wednesday the 6th. We had 1.13, 1.24, 1.31. There were down projections as well. 0.4, 0.4872, 0.5530, 0.6594. Yeah. Okay. As of the 28th of July, we had 1.2, 1.34, 1.43. Okay, selling pressure. Let's see what we have. Selling or buying pressure. It has to be selling. Okay, well, selling pressure is diminishing because we have positive derivatives and they are not fractional. They're all solid whole or mixed fractions. So yeah, mixed whole numbers. Yeah, whole numbers. Yeah, whole numbers. Yes. Yeah, so indicating that selling pressure is dissipating. It may have been worse than this. But even at that as well, the probability that it will remain below its 10 and 21 period moving averages is still there, especially come tomorrow the 15th. So there's a good chance it's going to still remain below 0.9584 and 0.9280 by tomorrow's pre-market session. Yeah, let's see. We've seen what is behind that weakness. Yeah, we have. So let's look at TNON, down 17.96. so the company's Q2 2025 revenue dropped to $0.6 million from $0.9 million in Q2 of 2024, though operating expenses were cut by 29%, narrowing a net loss to $2.8 million. Positive strategic moves acquired Cyvantage portfolio, which is expected to accelerate top line growth over the next 60 to 90 days. Gained FDA clearance for its catamaran device as an adjunct in thora, thoracolumbar fixation, a broader market use case. The company maintains a clean sheet with $7.8 million in cash and no debt. Investor caution: despite these positive steps, weak revenue performance continues to weigh on the stock. So yeah, nothing, no intradays here. Down 17.96. Current price 1.37. What do we have here? We have an upper projection of 1.58. Lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till Monday the 25th of August and even beyond. Do we have anything beyond 1.58? There's 1.18. It's a down projection. Okay, there's 1.30. It's a down projection. 1.26 down. 1.20 down as well. Okay, we have okay. The price pressure momentum on its 10 period moving average is nil, which is just neutral. However, the that of the 21 period moving average is still bearish, but all the derivatives are solidly positive, indicating that maybe it's either still decaying or a bounce is expected. Actually, a bounce is extrapolated for today's by the close by the post market session of today, but it's not expected to last long. So it's either the weakness is still very much in effect, still feeding through, or it has lost some of its edge. Yeah. So let's have a look at CLSD. Down, okay, up 0.88%. Clear side equity, let's see. Clear side biomedicals. Strategic uncertainty. The company stock, okay, probably has recovered from that plunge. No, we don't have anything, nothing. Okay, let's just talking generally. So, um, after revealing a strategic overhaul, including halting R&D, transitioning staff to consulting roles, and seeking buyers, raised red flags about its operational stability. We can't see anything like that. Okay. Multiple downgrades. Analysts from Stifel, Needham, and H.C. Wainwright have downgraded CLCS, citing cash constraints, uncertainty about funding, and the word price targets. Cash burn concerns. The company is seeing investor pessimism due to shrinking. These don't look like what we're looking at here. Okay, the stock is actually in an uptrend since Thursday the 7th. However, weakness is expected to play out, going all the way towards Monday the 25th of August. Let's see what we have. We have upper projections here: 0.4517, 0.4829, 0.5022. Are they upper projections? Yeah, yeah, all of them are. but not that ambitious. Let's see whether we have anything more ambitious. We do. We have 5193 0.6054. I should have mentioned. So one more time, those 0.5, no, 0.5193, 0.5725, 0.6054, and as of the end of July, you had 0.8048, 0.9477, and 1.04. Let's see what we have. Yeah, buying pressure is positive all the way, apart from a seriously negative second derivative on its 21 period moving average. So I think this news may not be fresh, maybe an old news. We could may not be fresh news. Okay, Needham. This is July. Yeah, so it's quite old, not exactly fresh. Let's see what has happened since that time. This is a cut. This was July the 18th. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. So this is so there isn't really any fresh news as such. So even after that time, the stock spiked and trying to resume the uptrend again. So yeah, have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.